Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming device compatibility and choosing the fastest link, USB for direct setup or TCP/IP for network deployment. Plug the cable, apply power, and watch the status LEDs. They tell you if the device booted. Then, make sure the PC recognizes a COM port or the network shows the device IP. If using TCP/IP, temporarily enable DHCP to auto-assign an address. Once done, record the assigned IP for later configuration. You now install the correct drivers, pick the 32-bit or 64-bit package to match your OS, then reboot if prompted. Next, install the Zkteco Management app or SDK client and open its connection dialog. Choose the communication method you set up earlier, enter the COM port or the device IP, and set the correct baud rate for serial links. Once configured, use the built-in test button to ping the device or to confirm serial echo. This proves the software can talk to the unit. You finish by enrolling a test user on the unit or through the PC software, then synchronize templates so the PC holds a copy. Make sure time and attendance schedules are set, and export or import user databanks as needed. Once synchronized, run a real check-in to validate data flow. If something fails, first check for IP conflicts and firewall blocks, then confirm the COM baud rate and parity. Resolving those typically restores communication quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.